Welcome to the cooler report. I'm going to introduce our new products on my right hand for this unit. And these are two-door glass door refrigerators. Let me give you the overall sizes first. For this unit, it's about like 47.5 inches wide. And the depth of the unit is about like 27 inches. And the overall height of the unit is about like 79.5 inches tall. So as we can see, the units coming with LED lights on top of the units. They have banners. Behind the banner have LED lights, and also having two lockers for the front doors, and the controllers at the bottoms right here. And also they have a car sheets information and the ETL sanitation stickers on the behind of the units. The compressor is mounted at the bottoms, and also coming with a 110 the US standard plugs. And when we open the door, we can see this one. They come in with 1, 2, 3, 4 adjustable shelvings on each of the door, and they also have LED light strips on both of the side. One is the circling fan on top, and we can give you the measurements right now. For the unit steps, it's about like 21 inches deep. And the length of the units will be 44 inches wide. And the overall height will be 53.5 inches tall. Also, when you open the door, they're having a switcher right here to control the LED banners. And the door is shuffled closed too. They come in with the 4 wheels at the bottoms for you to easy to move. And this will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.